Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the sound and music on the My Little Pony Story Creator application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New. You can find the first screen and go to the settings icon at the lower left corner of the screen, and you can find the sound or the music option at the at the lower side of the screen, and just click that and you can turn off or turn on the music and the sounds. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.